Hey guys, this is Kelly and welcome back to Fridays with SKKT, and today I'll be showing you my first impressions of the MASIL shampoo. We have 5 new launches. We have the no yellow shampoo, we have the scalp scaling shampoo and the volume shampoo that I'll be showing you guys today, and then we have the apple vinegar shampoo, and lastly color radiance. Okay, so that's the pink shampoo that a lot of people with colored hair would love. Today, I'll be showing you guys a tool that has caught my eye, and also I think that it's pretty interesting for you guys to try out, especially in this hot humid weather. I'm sure you guys will enjoy that, and let's head right into the video. We're gonna start with this. We're gonna cut this. Oh my god, it smells like cotton. You know Yankee Candle's cotton candle, like the fresh linen kind of laundry smell. Ooh, okay, we'll see the consistency. Oh my god, I actually quite like this scent because it's a little bit more mild. Oh my god, I love this scent. I like this scent more than the original one. Okay, first impression wise, I just love the scent a lot. I have not dried my hair, so I can't see the volume part, whether it really helps me with my hair's volume. I really like this clean linen, cotton, fresh linen kind of scent. It's super duper nice, and I didn't even put on conditioner, and I feel that it's quite smooth. On a usual basis, I will put on this when it's semi-dry, but today, just to test out the shampoo itself, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, I'm done. Honestly, I didn't even curl my bangs or anything, but it just stays like that, and it has quite a nice volume to it. I like it. I think it really gives me pretty good results. I would say 10% to 15% more voluminous than my usual hair. But just a side note is that I do have quite voluminous hair since the start, because my hair is quite coarse and quite thick. I have seen people with flat silky hair, and I think that is the sort of people who would really want to try this shampoo out, because I honestly think that if you use it long term, it really gives you that nice volume. For now, it's just 1 sachet, so I can't really tell you guys that this it's 100% gonna give you that kind of volume. So yeah, that's my take on this Blue Perfect Voluminous shampoo. I'm excited to see if I like the apple vinegar one. So we will see that
in the next episode.
A long day, and my hair is still a little bit oily, if you can tell. Oh my god, look at my face, the oil. So I'm gonna use the new shampoo. Alright, so today I'll be trying this out. This is the scalp scaling shampoo, and it is in this emerald green color. Got super pretty packaging. Gonna try it out right now. I tried the scalp scaling shampoo, and it's actually pretty amazing because it's it smells minty, and it also has a minty sensation on my scalp. It's more refreshed, and it's not as itchy as before. It feels super good, especially if you have oily scalp or oily hair, because I think it feels like a deep cleanse on my scalp. That's why my scalp feels a little bit more clean. Probably one tiny downside is that you have to use a hair mask right after it. Strips off a little bit of moisture or oil, so it does have a little bit of it's a little bit siap after that. Other MASIL shampoos don't leave my hair feeling that stripped, but I feel super clean. So it's pros and cons whether you want this kind of effect or not. But if you want to have a cleaner scalp, or at least more refreshing, a minty sensation, and you want to deep cleanse your hair, I think scalp scaling shampoo is good. If not, you can just use the scalp cleansing spa lotion, which is a pre-shampoo, so you just put it on your scalp before you shampoo your hair. I'm done and I feel super duper fresh. Oh, this is my hair. I feel, oh my god, like my scalp feels awesome, like super duper awesome. I take a shot whenever I say super duper because today is a super duper day. Wow, I really like it. I really like this scalp scaling shampoo. I think for the scent, I like the Perfect Volume Blue shampoo. That one smells like fresh linen, smells like fresh cotton. It smells like the Yankee candle that Sakura's mom bought for me for last Christmas, and I love it. Then the second one, it's this one, because this feels like, you know, I went for like a salon deep cleanse treatment. Awesome. Perfect Volume Blue shampoo and then the apple vinegar shampoo that I used yesterday. Both smell awesome, and they both like give me that kind of like smooth hair results. The Perfect Volume one, right, I feel that is quite smoothing. Like it has like, you know, conditioner, like hair mask kind of like property inside. I don't know. This is out of like what the ingredient list has listed by. It's as though like it's a shampoo plus hair mask combined and born into a new baby. Ding ding ding. Yeah, and then for the scalp scaling one, definitely I've already mentioned previously, it kind of like strips away the oil from your hair, so that's why it's a little bit dry. That's why I put on hair mask after that, and I'm gonna put on this silk balm. Just one pump will do. This is awesome, and it smells amazing. I don't know what is happening to my English today. I'm like super duper tired. Drink up, guys. If you guys like this kind of try on videos, please comment down below, and all these shampoos are available at shopkelkeltan.com right now, and don't miss out on the promos. Bye bye. Mwah. I swear guys, not gonna lie, my hair looks extremely greasy right now. I'm not sure if it's the shampoo that I'm using. I'm currently using this like PR gift, but I'm not gonna share the brand. But this is the shampoo that I've been loving. I actually did a try on for you guys, and I only used like sachets previously because we didn't have the stocks, but now it's here. This is the MASIL scalp scaling shampoo. This is our new shampoo, and I tried this with the sachet, and though it's very mini, it's like travel size, but it actually gave me like pretty great results, not gonna lie, I swear, no cap. And every time I use this scalp scaling travel size sachets, right, like I feel like my scalp is like extremely fresh, very minty sensation, and it doesn't give me this kind of like grease at the end of the day. It's just like one day after like washing my hair, and it's like this greasy. Like, what's going on? I don't understand. So I'll show you guys the before right now, and then after shampoo hair look. My hair looks pretty nice. Like, it's airy, it's light, it's not flat, it's not greasy, and this is the result of the MASIL scalp scaling shampoo, and I love it.